guys. This is it. May ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Ang regalo ko sa sarili ko guys. Tanan. My new phone. Here we go. Vivo V60 guys. Tingnan natin guys. Oops. 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 Tingnan natin guys. Shit guys. Ang ganda. Light blue ang kinuha ko. Charger. The charger. May freebies siya na case, headset, and the speaker. And that's it. My new phone para tuloy-tuloy ang aking pagbablog guys. Kaya supportahan niyo ako ha. Supportahan niyo ako ha. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.